Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about exploring the with underscore items. What is the main uses of using with underscore items? For example, if you want to do any looping operation inside the playbook, we can use the with underscore items. Okay, using these with underscore items, you can do the looping. Example, if you want to install multiple packages, we can declare inside the with underscore item. You can when you run the playbook, it will be continuously looping. Continuous looping means until whatever you mention the variables, the values. Okay, once completed, it will be exit from that particular playbook. Okay, let's see the demo. You'll get more idea. Example, if you want to install git httpd wget command, basically what we will do, we will be write the multiple tasks, right? For git, we will be write one task. For httpd, we will be write one task. For wget, we will be write 4 tasks. Instead of writing the 4 tasks, we can use the with underscore item. We can complete within 2 to 3 lines only. Okay, let's see the demo. For that, I'm creating one file vim with underscore items. Okay, .yml. You can give yml or yml, anything is fine. Insert mode. What I said, like when you are writing the playbook, first we have to declare the 3 hyphens. We have to declare the 3 hyphens, then enter, then hyphen. We have to declare the host file. Colon. I'm giving localhost. It means whatever I'm going to write the playbook, it will be run in localhost only. I'm giving localhost. Then enter. Here you have to use task. Okay. See, remember this T should be exactly H up down. Okay. Exactly H up down, the T start. Okay. Enter. Then you can give the hyphen name. Here I'm giving install. Sorry. Name. Install packages, because I'm installing multiple packages. That's why I'm given install packages. Enter. I'm using M module. Okay. Name is equal to, remember this M should be, Y should be exactly N up down. Okay. Name is equal to, I'm giving the space, and state is equal to, I'm giving present. Okay. State is equal to, I'm giving present, mean it will be install the present. Just enter. What I said, we will be use with underscore item, right? This with underscore item, you should be start with exactly Y up down. Okay. With underscore items. Remember, W should be start with exactly Y up down. Okay. Enter. Here you can declare whatever the packages. For example, hyphen git, enter, hyphen httpd, enter, hyphen, what is that? Git httpd wget, enter, hyphen 3. Okay, I am declaring 4 packages. Remember, inside the with underscore item colon, you can enter, you can give this hyphen anywhere in between. Okay, after W, you can give anywhere this hyphen space git. Git is a package. Same thing, hyphen space httpd. Remember, this hyphen should be same line only. Okay, fine. Now we have declared the items, but we haven't called this with underscore items here, right, in name. Remember, when you declare the with underscore item, you have to declare here, you have to give the 2 opens and then 2 closes. 2 opens and 2 closes. Inside you have to declare. Here you have to declare the item. Remember, you have to declare the name is item. Not, we don't require to mention with underscore items. When you use the with underscore item, you have to declare name is item. What will happen? First it will be installed git, then it will be installed http, then it will be installed wget, then it will be installed tree. The reason is with underscore item, if you want to do any looping concept. Okay, got it right? Name is equal to 2 double quotes, 2 opens, 2 closes. Inside you have to give the name is item when you use the with underscore item. Okay, now you can save it. Fine. Now I'm running the playbook. Can you please tell me how can run the playbook? Ansible playbook, and then you have to give the with underscore items. Just enter. Now, if you see here, gathering the packs, it means it will gathering all the Ansible related configuration. And next, if you see here, install packages, it is installing first git, then it will install http wget and tree, because we have given the sequence order. First git http wget and tree. It is showing okay. The reason is it is already installed in this particular server. That's why it is showing okay. In case if it is not installed, that particular packages, it will show like change. Okay. First time if you are installing. Or did write any question? And if you see here, this is the 1 task, this is the 2 task. That's why work is equal to 2. It is showing. Even though we have inside the task, we have a multiple subtasks. Okay. it will show only this is the one task and this is the another task. Got it right? And here it is not failing anything. That's why it is showing everything's perfect. Okay, this is the process of giving, like if you want to install any packages, not only install, if you want to uninstall also, we can do it same thing only. Instead of present, you can give it here absent. Example, I'm giving here absent. Okay, let's see. Absent. Okay, then save this file. Now I'm running the Ansible playbook. Let's see. If you see here, gathering packs, install packages. Now it is okay. Uninstalling. Now we can give that 3. Oh, it is running. Why? We have given correct only, right? Absent. Correct state is equal to absent. Why it is not working? Okay, give me 1 second. Here, don't give the space. Just give that like this. Don't give name is equal to don't give the space. Okay, just save this file. Okay, run this playbook. Again, you can see what will happen. Now, if you see here, now if it changed, the reason is we have removed all. Okay, now I'm using 3. Okay, now it won't be working. The reason is we have deleted. And remember here, deprecation warning. The reason is you have to declare open close like this, but we have given -- down 1 by 1, right? Instead of that one, you can give like this. Example, I'm copying this and pasted here. So you have to declare like this. Instead of giving -, you can declare like this. Okay, that is the error. It is throwing deprecation warning. Okay, you can use git space enter like that also, but the recommended way is you should be used like this. Okay, it is showing the deprecation warning. Okay, got it right? And one more thing here, remember, when you are giving, don't give the space. Name is equal to, you should be give like this. Earlier I have given no space, right? That is the reason this option doesn't work. Even install also it won't be work. Now what I'm doing here, I'm giving here instead of absent, I'm giving present. Let's see again, I will run it. Okay, now you can run the playbook, Ansible playbook, and I'm giving the playbook name. Now if you see here, gathering packs, it should be changed. The reason is we are installing again, right? Earlier it was uninstalled, now it will be installing. It is showing the change. Now I'm using 3 command. It should be good now. The reason is we have again install using, I'm giving the present. Okay, I hope understand that what is the main intention of using with_item. If you want to do any looping concept, you can use the with_items. Remember that particular with_items, it will be work only for that particular task. In case if you have another task, again you have to write the with_items inside that particular task. It is applicable the particular task level only. Okay, got it right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.